Are you a roaring tiger, a pacing horse, a self-assured elephant, or a gentle deer? Do you wake up with a relentless optimism to not just survive, but more importantly, to thrive? Are you a part of a competitive business organization, whether big or small, or a nurturing educational institution, be it a school, professional college, or a university? Welcome to 3T, Triumph Through Training Private Limited, a dynamic training company founded and managed by a core group of professionals and experts having vast experience and exposure.
My name is Rajan Arora. I am the Managing Director and founder of 3T, which we conceptualized in 2011. We transfer and share knowledge to get extraordinary results from seemingly ordinary people by inculcating all that matters.
At 3T, we are ethically unyielding. We are honest in honoring our commitments. Integrity never wavers in the name of profit. We respect the views of all our training participants, from the visionary CEOs, MDs, directors, to the dexterous managers, the diligent supervisors, to the toiling blue collars. We firmly believe that we all are equals. And at 3T, mediocrity cannot be tolerated, since we are the catalyst for personal excellence and corporate growth.
Been associated with Dr. Veena and 3T for almost 2 years now, and we've been doing regular trainings on the basic topics, and we have training in Jaipur and Delhi as well, and we deal with all the multinational companies like Tata, Dabur, Whirlpool, Johnson's. So it's been a very interactive session, and the staff, my employees, are very motivated after training, and it's been a phenomenal experience for Adarsh Marketing, and training Dr. Veena and 3T is doing a phenomenal job with that. My employees are feeling very motivated, and they are very open towards Dr. Veena. Dr. Veena is basically a part of Adarsh Marketing now.
Professionals from 3T understood our training needs completely. They understood it first, then they drafted the session, customized it according to us, and the whole delivery was great. Thank you.
We at 3T assessed that major hindrances to organizations' progress lies in the glaring gap between the ideal and the real. We completely understand that dealing with people means dealing with their mindsets, emotions, attitudes and behavior, which impacts the productivity and performance of organizations. Our mission is to ensure that excellence is attained by such organizations by diagnosing, designing and delivering effective interventions that encourage, educate, empower and enrich individuals and teams. We facilitate the partnering clients through focused soft skills and behavioral interventions. We conduct training for corporates and educational institutions besides government bodies and NGOs.
I personally believe that not only upcoming organizations but also those well established need to enhance their output by regularly training, motivating, refreshing, upgrading their competence to effectively increase their cooperation, coordination and enhance output levels that lead to better branding. Of the various organizations that we have trained with in the past, I found 3T to be the best, and it has effectively helped us perform much better at all levels. I wish them all the best.
We approach 3T sometimes to train them for the team building and to cope up with the corporate culture. We find their exercises as well as videos great. They are fun as well as learning at the same time.
I can say that post training everything went off well, and we have learned a lot from the training, and the inputs which were provided to us during the course of training are reflected in the performance.
Our training programs cater to varied target segments across industries, institutions and locations. SuperCorps, our flagship collection for corporates, helps leaders and managers strategize for success. Superform are series of faculty development programs which help the academia cultivate their competence. Supertrain prepares HR personnel and trainers to prod their organizations on the path of learning and development. Superlaunch aids students pursuing professional courses like CA, CS, engineering, MBA, even management, fashion or medicine to equip themselves well before entry in the competitive environment. Super Teams is targeted at holistic development of school students by strengthening their roots. Specialized trainers guide them choose appropriate careers. Super Self are coaching sessions that individuals take for self-improvement. Supercom is a 3T module for spoken English and business communication as the need may be. Besides these standardized modules, we customize the sessions as per the unique training needs of our clients. At 3T, all our offerings are driven by passionate perseverance, which is contagious and inspires others to emulate.
In our IT industry, we work with a stringent deadline. So when I heard the 3T trainer initially at the SHRM forum, I was intrigued to stop and evaluate my spiritual quotient. It was an infectious program which compelled me practice through management as a leader. Their programs are so innovative and brilliant. Yaps.
I must say that I was surprised by the ease with which the trainers communicated with the workers in Hindi and with the managers in English. Even a challenging program as training the trainers helped develop effective departmental trainers to sustain the training culture in our jewelry segment. I personally found the transactional analysis useful in improving interpersonal relations at work and back home. I think they have really remarkable training skills.
Wherein Dr. Veena Arora of 3T had been invited in both the programs. The first one was for the Government of Karnataka officers. It was on interpersonal skills. And the second one was for the IFCI officers. That was on emotional intelligence and spiritual intelligence. On both the occasions, Dr. Veena Arora from 3T had done an exceptionally good job. She kept the audience captivated.
At our different manufacturing locations like Byawar, Ras, Khuskhera, and also planning to utilize her talent in our upcoming plans. I am very much impressed by her conversational style and great command over emotional intelligence. I strongly recommend 3T, which is assisting us in developing our managers.
Training, like gardening, requires regular tending. 3T programs undergo all-encompassing quality improvements through updation and upgradation of our well-researched content and resource persons to stay ahead of the curve. At 3T, we use a combination of training essentials to keep the participants involved, interested, and imaginative. The traditional techniques are weaved in with the contemporary 3T specials to enable learner-centric innovative approach. 3T continues to grow its business designed to help individuals keep pace with new experiences and expectations, preparing them to tap their potential in another way, a better way, a different way.
Dr. Arora has unique blend of academic experience clubbed with HR head with 5-star in our hospitality industry, culminating as an entrepreneur. She loves what she does. That is training. It has made her and her team 3T so successful. I recommend 3T.
Trainers did a very thought-provoking exercise for our employees, and after these training sessions the employees have become very empathetic. And I must say that the 3T accelerators, which are
regular inputs in terms of mid-term inputs for behavior. They are very, very important, because training is not something that you do once and people will learn. Training, behavior change, this requires regular inputs, and that is what 3T is very good at. Thank you.
We realize our responsibility towards the community in which we live, work, and promote our services. We give back to the society for our own happiness, states the co-founder of 3T, Dr. Veena K. Arora.
They are very humane on the interior. They are quite empathetic, compassionate, and they actually know how to work from the heart. Their workshops are excellent.
3T has also collaborated with business rankers as knowledge partners to create shared value for a better global society. This initiative is to sow the seeds of learning culture in many organizations.
At 3T, we encourage our trainers towards a lot of autonomy, right from devising the pedagogy to the andragogy. Because the simple fact is that some of the trainers will like Sachin's batting, some will like the writings of Khalil Gibran, and some will like the psychoanalysis of Freud. So we try to have a lot of amalgamation of diverse thoughts and experiences to be interesting and impactful sessions.
As a business associate of 3T, I have always experienced ethical dealing and customer delight when I promote their business.
As an interventionist, I am involved right from training need analysis to development, delivery and evaluation of the sessions, having expertise in HR and leadership.
Associating with 3T has been win-win deal for us. We have always got the repeated business from our partnering clients.
I'm proud to be the first employee of 3T. I get ample opportunities for growth and I feel empowered.
As part of 3T, I enjoy assisting in training sessions because I am growing my roots to be a great motivational speaker soon.
At 3T, our focus is on enduring mutually beneficial relationships with different stakeholders for an inclusive growth.
With the head office at Jaipur and a vibrant and expanding network of business associates, you shall find 3T around the corner.
On behalf of 3T, it's my privilege to extend our sincere gratitude to all client organizations, our pool of trainers, business associates, training participants, advisors and well-wishers who have shown tremendous trust and confidence in Team 3. Your support is highly appreciated. From a single client in 2011 to reach the century mark, it has been a magnificent journey of perseverance, persistence and striving for perfection. We shall continue to march forward to add value to organizations with all that matters.
Do you want to build the capacity of your team, thrill your clients, retain your talent pool, or break the status quo and change? Help us to help you and strike new chords to achieve your vision. Let us join hands then for all that matters.